Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is a great day, of course. We will be tasting one of the most rarest fruit in Eugenia. I tell this to everybody because it was very difficult to collect all of those, but still we have collected these with a great effort, and we have grown them with great care. So this is Eugenia pirula. This is identified as spirula. We were not sure of the name, so this fruit has fallen off, and I already have it in my hand. The plant is right behind me. This is Eugenia pirula. You can see its leaves. Somewhat orange green in color, and there is one unripe fruit that is still present. Yeah, that's it. It had flowered generously. There were too many flowers, but I don't know what happened. The plant kind of dropped all the flowers. So yesterday, fortunately yesterday was the first time I saw this fruit. We didn't even know that it fruited. So yesterday the fruit was on the plant and it was yellow in color. When I touched it, it was still hard. So I thought it is yet to. It will take time to ripe. But today morning when I saw the fruit was on the ground, the plant itself harvested it for us, and the color had turned yellow. I mean orange. From yellow to orange. You can see a tint of yellow over here, and there is orange in color. Before tasting, let me explain the texture. It has a rocky texture on the outside, as you can see. It is not a plain texture, it's a wavy kind of a texture. I can say a rocky texture, and the color ranges from yellow to orange, deep orange. So I'll taste it. Okay, coming to the taste, it is a very juicy fruit. When I took the first bite, the juices oozed out of the fruit, and it is on the tangy side. It is not sweet. It is on the tangy side, but not as tangy as Arazaboy. This reminded me of eating orange. So the taste, the tanginess is that of orange, not more than that. And inside it has a lot of water content, but there are a lot of fibers as well. The inside is yellow in color, and there is a prominently big seed. The seed to flesh ratio is it has a bigger seed, I can say. The seed to flesh ratio is very small. What I mean is the seed is big and the flesh is not much when compared to other Eugenias. It has a very refreshing taste. I can compare its tanginess to that of an orange. It is eatable. It is not on the sweeter side, but it is rich in antioxidant, and it is one of the rarest Eugenia available. If I have to compare this fruit with some fruit available locally, then I can compare it with the Carissa carandus. Not very similar, but yeah, somewhere compared to that. But this is one of the refreshing fruit. Even though it is tangy, you will not feel that tanginess in your mouth. You can keep eating it. It is not as tangy as Arazaboy also. So this is we are very happy today because this is one of the rarest fruit that is fruiting that has fruited in our garden today. This right behind me is a Eugenia section in our garden. We have Roxburghi, Eugenia Roxburghi, then black Suriname cherry, red Suriname cherry, Sundrop, then Arazaboy, and what else we have? We have Guamirim Seraja, we have Eugenia cerasiflora, we have Cherry of Rio Grande, and we have Cedar Bay cherry. I think we have some more. We have around 28 varieties of Eugenia in our collection. We will have 1 or 2 plants of this variety available. We will make it soon available on our website. If you need it previously, you can pre-book them. Thank you for watching our channel. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.